Hello, have you ever wondered what makes plant and animal cells different? While they both share some common features, they also have unique structures that allow them to perform specific functions. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the major organelles found in plant and animal cells and explore how they contribute to the overall structure and function of these cells. Let's start with the cell membrane. This thin, flexible barrier surrounds both plant and animal cells, controlling the movement of substances in and out of the cell. It's like a gatekeeper, only allowing in certain molecules. Next, the cell wall. This rigid outer layer is found only in plant cells. It provides structural support and protection, helping to maintain the cell's shape. Think of it as a sturdy wall surrounding a house. The nucleus is another important organelle found in both plant and animal cells. It's like the control center of the cell, containing the genetic material that directs all cellular activities. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that fills the cell and surrounds the organelles. It's where many cellular processes take place. Now, let's look at a couple of other small organelles that are unique to plant cells. The chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. The chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a green pigment that gives plants their color. Another organelle found in plant cells is the vacuole. It's a large fluid-filled sac that stores water, nutrients, and waste products. It also helps maintain the cell's turgor pressure, which keeps the plant cell firm and upright. Animal cells do contain vacuoles, but they're much smaller than the plant cells. Now let's talk about an organelle that's found both in plant and animal cells, but with a slightly different function in each. The mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell, responsible for converting energy from food into a usable form. In plant cells, mitochondria also play a role in cellular respiration, the process by which cells break down glucose to release energy. So, as you can see, plant and animal cells share some common features, but they also have unique structures that allow them to perform specific functions. By understanding the structure and function of these organelles, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and diversity of life. Thank you for watching.